I purchased 5 of these drawer organizers from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to organize this drawer section here. I just feel like it's not organized to my liking. I have several miscellaneous items here and too many wooden spoons here in the middle, just here in the center, and I just think that it's like, it feels like too cluttered or something. If you're interested in knowing how I organize this section, stay tuned. Now I'm going to place each drawer organizer inside this drawer, and in order for it not to move, because I don't want it to move when I open the drawer, I'm going to place these loop fasteners on the back of the trays here. This way it can just stay still as opposed to it moving when I open the drawer.